Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. I'm waiting for you. Be like. Suddenly, time starts moving slower than a turtle on a vacation. One, human loading screen waiting feels like a game loading screen that forget to load. Two, checking the clock every 10 seconds. Sometimes 10 seconds feels like 10 minutes. Three, professional window watcher. Looking outside becomes a full-time job. Four, the phone inspector level 100. You check your messages even when no notification arrive. Five, snack time begins. Waiting always makes food look extra interesting. Six, walking in tiny circles. Suddenly, you're practicing for a marathon in one room. Seven, are they almost here? The question repeats in your mind every minute. Eight, becoming a detective. You start analyzing every possible reason for the delay. Nine, listening for every sound, a random noise outside. That's probably them. 10, practicing greetings. You mentally rehearse saying hello 20 different ways. 11, time travel slowly. 1 minute feels longer than a movie. 12, looking busy while waiting. You pretend to be productive, but mostly keep waiting. 13, refresh button champion. Checking updates becomes a game sport. 14, instant excitement mode. The moment they arrive, the waiting is forgotten. 15, worth the wait. Good comrades, family, a special moments are often worth waiting for. 16, statue mode. Reason, you've been standing so still that birds are considering you a landmark. 17, message checker champion. Reason, you've opened the same chat 27 times in a minute. 18, clock watch expert. The clock suddenly seems to move in slow motion. 19, snack manager. Reason, one snack turns into a complete snack collection. 20, one song concert. Reason, you'll listen to the same favorite song enough times to become the backup singer. 21, mini walking tour. Reason, you walk around the room so much that you've created your own sightseeing route. 22, weather reporter. Reason, you've checked the weather, check it again, and become today's unofficial forecast expert. 23, a professional thinker. Reason, you've planned tomorrow, next week, and possibly next year while waiting. 24, door observer. Reason, every sound near the door feels like a major event.